Hey everybody, Jesse Sperry, maintenance supervisor with Rent Portland Homes, Darla Andrews' office. I just wanted to speak with you homeowners for a moment about some of the services we provide after a tenant moves out. So when a tenant moves out, I'll give you a call if I have any recommendations to update the house. I do have a vendor list of over 100 vendors. We do have in-house handymen as well if you want to go that route, Jesse Curran and Chris Hill. With those vendors and in-house handymen, we can provide anything from painting, LVT flooring replacement, carpet. We could do minor things as far as caulking to bathtubs, toilets, sinks, backsplash repair. We will provide you with those estimates to get the house ready for the next tenants. Thanks.
Today we are at 1733 Southeast Harold Street to meet up with Jesse, our maintenance man, who is doing some work for one of our owners. So we're gonna go inside and check out what he's doing.
Jesse. I do the maintenance here. We just had a recent move out, so this unit is now vacant, and we noticed that it was in need of a new coat of paint. So I've just been going through patching all the holes in the wall, and I'll be masking everything off and getting it ready for paint.